So today this little chef is going to make chicken patty burger in her mom kitchen. You will need few buns, mayonnaise, ketchup, sliced cheddar cheese. Deep fry both sides of chicken patty in a pan for 5 minutes. Now slice cucumber and tomatoes. It's assembling time. Heat a pan, then bun. Spread mayonnaise. Add chicken patty. Add sliced cheddar cheese. Cucumber. Tomato. I don't like ketchup, so didn't add in, but you can. Toast it and turn upside down. Yeah, cheese has melted. I love cheese. Wow, I have made my first chicken patty burger myself. I hope you like my video and my first try on homemade burger. Tell me in comments. I like it. Your appreciation means a lot to me.